Is up, guys? Welcome back to Burrow's Outdoor Outings. Sorry, I actually meant to start this video quite a bit sooner, but I didn't. Got us some good sausage cooking here. Hopefully nicely hovered above the fire here. It's perfect. Like literally, it's perfect. Get that heat shit back off. We're gonna cook us some duck eggs also. Go right along with it here. What do you think about it, honey? And we got Harley back with us for the weekend. Yes. So she's been here since yesterday, haven't you, big girl? Biscuit. Oh. And of course there's Queen Bee. Come here. Her and her Valentine sweater already. I think it's cold and windy out here, so her needed the sweater. They got long. She's got way longer hair, and he's got longer hair also. Biscuit's the pit Shar-Pei mix, so she is very short-haired. Ooh, look at that ashes flying around. Hell yeah, get that down in that food. Give it a little flavor, huh? That's right, that's right, that's what we like. Alright. I need to get a little bit of this split up to put on there, so I'll be back. Alright, guys. We're gonna go on with them duck eggs now that we got that sausage off. We got it sitting back there, staying nice and warm. We got our duck eggs here. Yes, I am wearing a glove because this pan is hot. Just let it get a little warmer. A little warmer. A bit hotter, should I say. Oh, good grief. Over that pepper. I can do this while holding it. Alright, keep it. Look at that. That's how nice and seasoned that cast iron is right there. Had this thing for quite some years though. There we go. Move back. Set that back up there and flick them eggshells out of the way. And coals right back up there. Yeah. Just gonna let those slowly go for a few. Duck eggs, we gotta have that yolk running, guys. You know that. Put a little bit more of that sausage grease in there, even though we good, but we like that flavor with it. Put her right there. We're just gonna let her slowly go for a few. Asleep. Well, not asleep. He knows I'm cooking. Don't know. Oh, there she is. Look at the bee. What are you doing, Queen Bee? What are you eating on? What are you eating on? Acorn? Really? You missing out on your daily tannins? Is that what it is? Say noggins. Huh? Weirdo. All the fuzz from the dog toy. Yeah, we're getting there slowly. I really want a piece of that sausage, but gotta wait. We'll probably end up making us a egg and sausage sandwich, honestly. Just don't know me if I was actually still cooking in a restaurant, cooking an egg this slow. It's completely unacceptable. Actually, I guess not. I've only been cooking it for 4 minutes and 20 seconds. So maybe not. Yep, I'm just going to let her cook. All right, this is taking too long, so I'm going to cut here. Finish cooking this up. Be back. All right, guys, there's that sausage and duck eggs for you. The foxy wolf in the background. What are doing?